I'm finally quitting trading.
What?
Yes, trading is just not for me.
Charlie boy, now you mumu na too much. You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Guys, my name is Shadrach Chidera. I'm the founder of FX Academy. You can search for our community on Telegram or click the link up here. I think you can easily find it on the description below. I talk all about forex related, and in this video I'm going to be telling you something no one has told you before. No, I'm not sure. Alright, I'm going to be telling you what you need to know. So last week a friend of mine quit trading the market. He left our forex community on Telegram and I met him to confirm what's going on. He told me he's totally fine, but he don't want to have anything to do with trading again. I couldn't talk him out actually because he refuses to answer my messages. Yeah, he did that. Well, let me talk to you in case he also is planning to quit trading. Quitting is never an option. This is something that I recently learned the hard way when I made the difficult decision to leave the world of trading behind. It can be discouraging to put in a lot of effort and not see the results you want, especially when you are passionate about something and believe in yourself. But it's important to remember that success often requires perseverance.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Perseverance and the ability to learn from mistakes. If you feel like trading isn't for you, that's okay. There are many other ways to make a living and find fulfillment. It's important to find a path that works for you and make you happy. But quitting should never be an option. No matter how tough things get, just look at the big names in trading. They face disappointments and setbacks every day, but they don't quit because they know they have come too far. If Dapo Willis, Jeffrey Benson, Harvey, Kojo Forex, Refrainy, or e.t.c. Oh, I didn't get a picture of e.t.c. when he was living a low life.
Oh, ew.
But imagine all these people had given up. They won't be enjoying the freedom, wealth, and peace of mind they have today. So don't give up on yourself. If you're struggling to get the results you want in trading or any other pursuit, try to understand why and figure out what you can do to improve. It may mean seeking out new resources or learning new skills, and it may simply mean adjusting your approach and mindset. Whatever it takes, don't let setbacks hold you back. Keep pushing forward until you reach your goals. Success requires determination, resilience, and willingness to learn and grow. If you have those qualities, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So don't give up, no matter how difficult things may seem. With the right approach and a little bit of grit, you can find success in trading or any other pursuit. Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. Make sure you subscribe and also click the notification button so that you get notified whenever I post contents like this. Thank you.